hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, LadySavage.com.
And KetoBrick.com. Keto Brick. Let's talk about Keto Brick for a second. All right, y'all. So I put a post out on Instagram. I put a newsletter out. Talked about it on the 7 Set Sunday. And I want to go ahead and cover our bases and talk about it here on the YouTube channel. You ready?
I'm ready. Are you guys ready?
We are hiring, boom, for Keto Brick predominantly, but some positions will also cover Keto Savage, Ladies Savage, Live Savage Apparel, and any other business entities that we have in the works. So, we're super excited about it. We've got a lot of things in the pipeline. It is, at the time of this recording, December of 2020. We're going to be moving into our state-of-the-art facility that is twice as big as the 3 buildings that we're leasing now with all the bells and whistles, and that'll be in June or July of next year. And that's going to be in that's going to be in Northwest Arkansas. So we're super excited about that. And with that move, we need more people. We need more talent. We'd love to bring on people now. If it makes more sense to bring them on when we move, that's also an option. But we're super excited about it. We're just trying to expand the team and grow the operation and bring on the best of the best, the creme de la creme.
Homie.
All right, so let's talk about, I feel like I'm doing all the talking.
Yeah, you are. Go ahead.
What positions are we hiring for, babe?
We are hiring for a production specialist, which means that you're going to be like part of the crew that's making the bricks hands-on every single day. That will be your job, is making sure that the bricks are done correctly, properly, all that kind of stuff. All the details are in the applications. And then we are hiring for a production specialist manager. And what was the title of the other one?
So we got the production specialist, production manager, and then we have the media and content master.
Yes.
Yes. And that position is going to be a pretty cool position. I mean, they're all going to be pretty cool positions. So like she said, the production specialist is the production of the Keto Bricks and just the other things that we have that we're in production, so the apparel, stuff like that. Predominantly the bricks, though. The production manager is going to oversee that production and also help with ordering the inventory, the supplies, all that stuff. And the media and content master, they're going to be running the reins with the podcast setup, recording, the YouTube videos, the graphics, all the digital media, all the content that we produce across the different brands. Basically, think of a mix between Joe Rogan's Young Jamie and Gary Vaynerchuk's D-Rock. So basically a mix of those two combined together to create all of the content.
Yeah, that job is like working a lot more closely with Robert and myself, and then a lot more like computer work and things like that. Yeah. Editing, all that good stuff.
But it's going to be pretty cool. I mean, if you're into like using the software to edit, produce content, publish content, I mean, you're going to get paid to make content all day, so it's pretty cool. Filming videos, gotta love it. You gotta love it. And then the production manager obviously is going to be a leadership position, but we're all leaders here. We want to hire people that are just on the same page. We're gonna double down on culture with this. Like, it's great if you have the skill sets. You gotta have the skill sets, obviously, and be trained and trainable to acquire those skill sets. But you also got to have the right culture so that it's just a great mesh with everybody here involved, so that we are a family and we all just continue to grow as a family. So we're super excited about it. If you look in the description of this video, you'll see a link to where you can go to ketobrick.com and go to the Our Team page, and that's where the applications will be available, where you can apply, and we'll be in touch. There's more information there. Check out ketobrick.com, go to the Our Team page, and again, I'll put that link in the description as well. Anything else to add?
I don't think so.
Don't think so?
Yeah, I don't think so. We're very excited to see, people applying, and just different types of personalities and things like that we can add to our current crew. And I think it'll be good. It'll be really exciting to bring in some new faces. So.
Yes, indeed. Anyway, we love y'all. Thank you for tuning in. And by all means, apply or send this video to someone that you think may be interested. And we will talk to y'all soon.